You barking at me? Oh dear. You're not really patient. A long time. Too long. This is what happens when you don't put your trolleys back.
Just taking this out. You got a coin?
What happens when you don't put your trolleys back? Yeah, people don't put the trolleys back.
Oh, we start paying now.
Yep. This is what happens if you don't put your trolleys back.
Eh?
This is what happens if you don't put your trolleys back.
Well, kids take off with them, don't they?
Whoa. Actually sounds like a gremlin. People literally don't know what to do when they get to the trolley. Like, they try to pull it even though it's got a chain on it. You know? It's like you have to think for like 5 seconds. They've actually just started fitting them today. The fitters are here now. Oh, like, whatever shall I do? We've got to put a pound in the trolley. No!
Oh, it's crashing. I'm scared.
Oh. I thought the handles just pull off because they're just whacking handles off, but you've got to screw on. got a screw on it. With a diamond thing. Sure there's an easier way than pulling the handle off to get a trolley. Bolt cutters, that'll do it. I bet people forget the trolleys anyway. I bet they'll leave it out because they're just so used to just leaving them anywhere, you know. I bet they just leave the trolley out and just forget the pound. Can't see any trolleys out and about. Oh no, she's gonna do it, is she? Might actually be fun watching them. Fuck me, dog. Sit down there. Sit down there. Yeah, sit. Sit. I like watching people. It's fun. We're going to troll it all the way back. Why did you do that?
Huh?
Why did you do that?
What do you want?
That scared dogs.
I didn't mean to say that, I'm sorry.
Why did you do it so hard?
Huh?
Idiot.
Did that scare the dogs?
Yeah, look.
You shouldn't be keeping dogs here anyway.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
I didn't mean to scare the dogs.
Well, you did, didn't you?
Huh?
You did, didn't you?
I'm telling you, I didn't mean to scare the
You did,
dogs.
didn't you?
You shouldn't keep the
You
dogs
would
here.
apologise.
Huh?
You would apologise.
I'm going to apologise.
Yeah. You didn't mean to scare the dogs, so you did scare the dogs. You're not even going to
I
apologise.
swear this month was not the month I would have smacked your face right there, right
On
on.
live stream, bro. On live
Yeah.
stream.
Why would I try to harm these dogs for?
You did it.
Why you keep
It's on live stream, bro. I heard it on live stream. I heard it with my ears.
Yeah, so I did it like that. What's the problem?
Go away.
Well, come on. Come on. White boy. What? You're going to tell me your authority? Yeah?
Go away.
Tell me authority.
Go away.
What are you going to do, white boy?
Go away.
White master.
Set my dogs on me.
Yeah? You think you're a white master? You think you rule this world?
You think you do.
You think you rule this
You
world?
think you do.
You're going to tell me what to do?
Yeah, yeah.
You think you rule this world?
Definitely if you're going to scare
Yeah?
the dogs, yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to do it again. What are you going to do about it?
Not bad, that's why.
You're white. Don't want me to know that.
You're racist as well.
No, you're racist, man.
I'm not calling you.
Yeah.
I'm not calling you black,
You're
am I,
calling
bro?
yourself a master.
I'm not calling you
You're
black, am I,
demanding
bro?
yourself.
I'm not
putting
calling
yourself
you black,
here.
am I?
Oh, don't try to be authority, okay? Don't to put your authority on me, white man. Alright?
You think you're better than me then?
Huh?
You think you're better than me then?
Master. What master? Are you giving me
Go
authority?
away, bro.
Are you giving me
Go
authority?
away.
I'm doing it again.
Leave me alone.
I'm doing it again. Are you giving me
Freak.
authority?
You freak, man.
Are you giving me authority?
Freak.
Who's it, dogs? Yours. Hey, you might scare dogs though, doing
I
that.
told him I didn't mean to scare the dogs.
You just did it again. You're just doing it again, bro.
Yeah,
Just
because he's
piss
giving
off.
me authority.
Just piss off.
He's giving me authority.
Piss off.
See that? White man.
What, you're not going to go because I told you to piss off? Is that what it is? You're not going to go because I told you to piss off?
White man.
Racist? You give me your people that name, bro. You're the racist. You're the racist.
I'm the racist.
Yeah.
You're the one who got me in this country.
Why are you calling
Bloody
it? Why
slavery. Now you give me
are you
authority.
calling slavery?
Yeah, yeah.
Slavery.
Yeah,
Well,
you're
get
the
out
one-
then.
What do you mean get out?
Get
then?
out then if you don't like
Who
it.
are you to white man?
Fuck off.
White man.
Fuck off.
Tell me, white man. Do you know who I am? Do you know who
Walk
I am?
away. Walk
White
away.
man. White man.
Walk away.
White man. Giving me authority. Who are you to give me authority?
She wants
like
that now, yeah?
Come on. Come on. Get me out of this country.
You're a freak, bro.
Get me out of this country.
You're a freak, man.
You're the freak who's telling me what to do.
Piss off.
Keeping you dogs on the side.
Piss off.
Huh?
Go away.
White man, what are you going to do? White man.
Put you on YouTube, that's it.
White man.
That's all I've got to do.
White man. White man. No, why are you speaking English? No, we can decide between the two of you. White man, you just said that. Get out of my country.
Racist.
Yeah.
Because you're calling me a white man and you're saying you don't like my country.
You call me
because my country's put you under slavery. You said my country's put you under slavery. So I said fuck off then.
That's what you said.
Go on then. Yeah, because you say it's slavery over here.
Yeah, why don't you go back to
Bring
Australia?
you as a
Why don't
slave.
you go to Australia then.
You know, you give
Go
yourself
back
a
to
bad
Black
name,
Sea.
bro.
Go to Black Sea.
You give yourself a
100
bad
years
name.
ago.
Why do I want to go Black Sea? This is my
Listen,
country.
My grandfather
This is
ruled
my
this
country.
England, right? My
Did it?
grandfather ruled
Did
this
it?
England. You have no right to tell me to get out of the country.
Well, don't say
Yeah,
that.
you
Don't tell
white
it's
man.
slavery
Oh,
then.
be quiet, you
Don't
white
tell it's
man.
slavery then.
Listen, my grandfather ruled this country, right?
Right. Well then,
Right on the foot.
did
Right on the foot.
he keep
Where are
slaves?
you from?
Did he keep
Where are you
slaves?
From? Down south.
You're saying this
You're from
country's
down south, innit?
this
Royal
this
family,
country's
yeah?
giving
Come
slaves?
To Scotland. Come to Scotland.
this
then.
this country's
Come to Scotland,
taking
then.
slaves.
Come to Scotland.
This
then.
country's taking
Come
slaves.
to Scotland. Don't tell me to give me those authority, right? You and your royal family. You're finished. This country don't belong to you anymore. You're finished. Why?
Oh, you're a terrorist.
Now I'm a terrorist.
What you saying? What are you saying?
No,
It's
I'm a
finished.
terrorist.
It's finished.
Yeah.
It's finished. Why is it finished?
Yeah, it's finished.
Why?
Because for 200 years you've been ruling us all around the world.
So what? Are you going to make it
Coloured
better?
people,
Are you going to
made us
make it better?
slaves.
Are you going to make it better with
and
this?
now we're going to put you down like
Ah,
that.
yeah. Ah, so
Down
you're a
like
terrorist.
that.
You're a terrorist.
Yeah.
A terrorist and a racist.
Yes.
Yep, thought so.
Anything else? No. What's your name? Dave.
Joe.
Joe?
Yep.
No, you're David.
Joe.
You're a Jew. I can tell from your eyes.
Nope. Don't believe in religion.
You're a Jew.
Don't believe in
My
religion.
grandfathers were Jews.
Right.
You're a Jew, aren't you?
Right.
You're a Jew, aren't you?
Right.
Yeah? You're a Jew, aren't you?
I don't know.
You're a Jew, aren't you?
I don't know. My dad won't.
My DNA is Jewish. What are you gonna do about it?
Nope.
What are you gonna do about it?
Nope.
Come on.
What?
I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this
Good.
conversation.
Good.
Yeah, record.
What? I'm not enjoying it. I'm not enjoying it. I'm recording.
No, I'm gonna waste my energy big time. This white man is trying to give me authority here. Yeah, I'm fasting. No, I'm not fasting. Actually, I forgot. Yeah.
Oh, is that why you're angry?
Listen, you know Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Get some
he
food in you,
ruled-
man. You
he
might-
will
you
rule,
might be a bit
and he
happier.
will rule to this day, to the end, to the end. All right, get that message in your head. All right,
Yeah.
don't give me no authority.
Go away.
Don't give me no authority. You
Go
go
away.
away. Take your dogs out over here.
I don't want to. I don't really want to go anywhere. Just in case you attack me.
No, listen. You're British. You're British. Go, shoot. You're interfering. Don't interfere. Go. You got problems. What? You're defending him now.
I don't see any benefit from this.
Listen, just go away. I'm talking to you.
What benefit?
You're fasting. Go away.
Don't tell me to go away. I'm not a pig.
Then go away. Then he started it. He started the fight. I'm gonna finish it.
He's not started anything.
He started it.
You scared my dogs with Trolley on
I
purpose.
scared your dogs, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Why in the world would I scare your dogs?
Well, we're on YouTube, bro. I'm live streaming. Give yourself a bad name, bro. Giving
Levy.
yourself a bad name.
Levy.
Can you just go away, please?
A white man like
Can you just
giving
go away,
me
please?
authority.
Just go away, please.
A white man like you giving me
Go away,
authority.
please.
You're cool now, yeah?
Go away, please.
Why? Why should I go away? It's a free country. I can
You're
stay here.
annoying.
I swear I can stay here all day with you.
Oh, you're causing me
Because you know,
alarm
I love to
harassment and
meet
distress
people
now.
like you.
You're causing me alarm harassment and distress now.
No, well, that's it.
Somebody call the police, because this guy's
Call the
not leaving
police.
alone.
Call the police. Call the police.
It's causing me alarm
Call the
harassment and
police.
distress.
I
Can
will
somebody
stay
call
here
police,
till
please?
sundown. Call the police. I'm free today. Come on.
Somebody call police,
You start this, and I will finish it.
Go on then, finish it.
You start this, I'll finish it.
Go on then, finish it.
Just leave it. Why are you causing a scene outside?
He started it. He started it. He said,
Just call policeman. It's causing me alarm, harassment, distress. That's a crime.
Yeah, you pulled the trolley and you slammed it twice, and I even seen you slam it twice.
no, I did it to show him what you're going to do. I go, why are you doing to authority?
Why take it out of my dogs? Why take it out of my dogs?
Let's leave him alone. He stood there, he's not doing it. No, the guy.
He's the one who's giving me authority.
No, he said don't slam the trolley.
No,
there,
he
dogs.
gave me authority.
slammed the trolley
He gave me
twice.
authority. And why did he give me authority?
Why would
Because you were
why
scaring my
would you-
dogs. Because you were scaring my dogs.
Scaring the
told
I
dogs.
said go away.
He told me to get out of this country.
You called me white. You said white man, white man.
Yeah, you are a white man.
Well, you're a black
Yeah,
man then.
and I'm a
You're a
Paki.
black man then.
I'm a Paki, yeah? To you, I'm a Paki. And to me, you are a
Now
white
go
man.
away then.
Yeah?
Now go away then.
Why are you telling me to
All
go?
right.
Yeah, but you keep
So
calling
what?
him that. Walk away. He was there before.
Why does he walk away? Why does he walk
Not
away?
doing no.
Why?
You stood there. You've got your shopping, mate. You've got your shopping.
It's a free road.
What
He told me
money?
to get out of this country.
You keep walking, but
Well, you keep on walking. Who are to tell me to keep walking out? Who are you? Who gave you the authority to get me out of here?
Calm down, it's a public place.
That's what I said.
Yeah, it's a public place, yeah. Yeah, it's a public place. Yeah, either both of us we go, both of us we go. No, he has to go. He told me to get out.
I want to go, but you won't leave me alone. If you just step back, I'll leave.
And that's how I would have
Just step back, I'll leave.
I would have been quiet. I would have been quiet, and I would have been going like this. Yeah, I'm minding my own business, and that's it. Yeah. Who is he to give me authority? Who is he telling me to get out of this country?
He scared my
Who
dogs
is
with
he
trolley.
telling me-
He
tell me-
slammed the trolley. He slammed the trolley as hard as he could to scare my dogs.
Terrorists, who are you to tell me that? What did I say? I said apologize. I didn't even say apologize.
You
I
said
I
this
didn't mean
country's
to.
taking slaves, bro.
What is dogs are doing here anyway? When customers are coming, putting the trolley in here, what are the dogs doing
Because
here?
dogs are allowed.
Right, okay. Can we just clear all this argument to start?
Who is he to give me authority? When I'm pushing my trolley in there, well, you need to move this person. You need to move this person.
What you said.
Well, I have my opinion.
I'm not going nowhere until you leave because you're an aggressive person. You cause alarm, harassment and distress. And I want the police. I want the police.
Turn round, don't look at him, turn round.
Right, if you do me a favour, just turn that off and just walk away, whatever you need to do.
Turn what
Or
off?
whatever.
Don't tell me to turn it off.
No, just asking you to just go to your own way.
No, I can't because
If he tells me
he's
to
in
go
my
away,
face.
I will move away. Yeah, I will move away. I'm just-
Wherever you need to go.
That's all I've been asking all along.
Right, wherever you need to go, you can go, boss, alright? That's it now. Joe's over wherever it is, yeah? How long do you get to put pounds in there?
It's alright. No, it's alright.
We're cool with peace, yeah?
Check it out on JoeKingAudits on YouTube.
God bless you. God bless you.
Come on. They were tied up, they weren't even getting in his way. It just scares my dogs. Oh, that was unbelievable. YL06NSE. That's his number plate. Soon got in car, didn't they? Not crossing the road until it leaves. Sure that might not be his number plate. Did he put that fat? He didn't mean to scare the dogs, you didn't see what he did. The dogs were at the side of the trolley, right? He saw the dogs, and then he slammed his trolley so hard, just because my dogs were there. And he obviously don't like dogs for some reason. Like proper hard. Forgot his trolley pound, you know, because he was so angry that the dogs were there. Had to come back for trolley pound. I wasn't even going to sail until he came back for trolley. Like, I could, like... You just leave it. So I turned around back for trolley and I said, why did you do that? Anyway, whatever. He didn't say sorry. He didn't even say sorry. He says he didn't mean to scare dogs. He did it on purpose to scare the dogs. You know? Like, he didn't even, his trolley didn't even get stuck. He literally slammed it in from before it even got to thing as hard as he could to scare dogs. And dogs jumped. Leave it. Heel. Come on. He's going to stamp on this country or something. You and your monarchy. Like I give a shit about the monarchy. Like I give a shit about the country, to be honest. You know? The country is a dying country, but he lives in this shithole as well. So I pretended to go that way and I'm going a different way. Because I'm genius. Plus there's actually more public this way. So a little bit safer anyway. Didn't say sorry. Okay, so they didn't mean to scare the dogs, that's the lie. So they did it on purpose. because I saw him.